Hello, I'm Michael from Adams High Tech, and in this video, we're going to talk about artificial intelligence and its potential to revolutionize the future. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly developing field that has the potential to change our lives in many ways. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is already being used in a variety of ways. But what does the future hold for AI? In the future, AI is likely to become even more integrated into our lives. Wearable devices that can track our health and fitness, AI-powered customer service chatbots, and even AI-powered teachers are all possibilities. AI could also be used to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change and poverty. For example, AI could be used to develop new and more efficient ways to grow food, or to create new energy sources that are less polluting. AI could also be used to develop new medical treatments that are more effective and less expensive. Of course, there are also some potential risks associated with AI. For example, AI could be used to create autonomous weapons that could kill without human intervention. It's important to be aware of these risks and to develop ethical guidelines for the development and use of AI. How can we prepare for the future of AI? There are a few things that we can do to prepare for the future of AI. Educate ourselves about AI. The more we know about AI, the better equipped we will be to understand its potential benefits and risks. There are many resources available online and in libraries that can help us learn more about AI. Engage in public discussion about AI. It's important to have a public conversation about the future of AI so that we can develop ethical guidelines for its development and use. There are many organizations that are working to raise awareness about AI and to promote public discussion about its future. Support research into AI safety. There is a growing field of research focused on ensuring that AI is developed safely and ethically. We should support this research so that we can minimize the risks associated with AI. The future of AI is uncertain, but it has the potential to revolutionize our lives in many ways. By educating ourselves about AI, engaging in public discussion, and supporting research into AI safety, we can help to ensure that AI is used for good in the future. Here are some additional thoughts on the future of AI. AI could be used to create new forms of art and entertainment. AI could be used to improve our understanding of the universe. AI could be used to create new forms of life. The possibilities are endless, and it's exciting to think about what the future of AI holds. However, it's important to remember that AI is a powerful tool, and it's important to use it responsibly. We need to make sure that AI is used for good and not for evil. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you some insights into the future of AI. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you want to learn more about the future of AI, please visit adamshightech.com. I hope this video has given you some food for thought about the future of AI. Thank you for tuning in to Adams High Tech.